How do you change the real estate sales process of building expensive show flats that still don't capture the essence of your property? By choosing the better way. V-Estate, the interactive real estate sales platform that puts your buyers in full control. With a sales gallery where buyers don't just listen to pitches, but actively explore properties exactly as they wish.
So one of my colleagues was showing the amenities, and when the children's play area came, small kid got so excited, he actually ran to the screen. It was so amazing. The parents had to actually hold the kid. It was so realistic. The kid actually felt as if the amenity is right there.
This is the reality V-Estate brings to your real estate business, revolutionizing property showcasing. It creates lifelike digital twins of your developments, allowing customers to virtually walk through every room, customize interiors, and even view the property at different times of day. With V-Estate, you can offer panoramic window views from any floor. Complete with day and night cycles. See how sunlight plays across living spaces, or how city lights twinkle at dusk. Let customers explore the neighborhood too, with our vicinity mapping feature highlighting nearby landmarks and amenities. But V-Estate is much more than just stunning visuals. It's a powerful sales tool that adapts to your needs. Use it on large touch screens in your sales office, or operate it through a tab, or even access the web version for remote presentations. V-Estate transforms the entire sales journey. It turns passive observers into active explorers, significantly shortening the buying cycle. Our clients have seen remarkable results. Over 500 engaging demos daily and more than 300,000 satisfied customers. Don't just sell properties, create experiences. With V-Estate, you're not just showing houses, you're opening doors to new homes. Ready to redefine property showcasing? Experience the difference with V-Estate, where seeing is believing.